For many people, the most stressful part of managing money isn't the math. It's the feeling that everything is scattered. Accounts in different places. Bills arriving at different times. Savings mixed together with spending. When money feels disorganized, it's hard to know where you actually stand. Today we're going to talk about a simple way to organize your finances so everything becomes much easier to understand. When finances are disorganized, people tend to rely on memory. They try to remember which bills are due, which accounts hold savings, which purchases were made recently. But memory is unreliable. Financial clarity comes from visibility, not memory. When your finances are organized in a simple system, you can see the whole picture much more easily. And that clarity reduces stress. Organizing your finances usually involves three main areas. The first is accounts. This includes your spending account, bills account, savings account, and future account. Each account has a clear purpose so money doesn't become mixed together. The second area is payments and bills. It helps to know which bills are recurring and when they occur. Many people choose to automate these payments so they happen automatically. The third area is financial information. Things like account balances, debts, and savings goals. Keeping this information in one simple place makes it much easier to understand your financial position. One helpful practice is creating what you might think of as a financial overview page. This can be as simple as a single document or note where you track a few key things. Your accounts, your debts, your savings goals, your monthly income and expenses. The purpose is not to track every detail. It's simply to create a place where you can see the most important pieces of your financial life. When everything is visible in one place, decision-making becomes much easier. When finances are organized clearly, the mental load of money becomes much lighter. You no longer need to constantly wonder, do I have enough money for this? Is that bill already paid? Where did my savings go? Instead, the answers are visible within the system you've built. Financial organization doesn't eliminate every challenge, but it removes a great deal of unnecessary uncertainty. Organization works best when it's paired with simple habits. Your 4-account system organizes your money. Your monthly spending plan guides how it's used. And your weekly money reset keeps everything updated. Together these systems create a financial structure that quietly supports your goals. Financial clarity rarely comes from complicated tools. It usually comes from simple organization and small habits practiced consistently. When your accounts, bills, and financial information are organized clearly, managing money becomes much easier. If you'd like a worksheet that helps organize these pieces step by step, you can download the Money Clarity Starter Pack at readthebrief.co. In the next video, we'll talk about something many people want to improve: how to build saving momentum even if you're starting small.